Hey everyone, check out the PEDOOD high pressure steam cleaner, a powerful handheld steamer designed for home and car cleaning. This steam cleaner features a large 1-liter water tank, so you can clean longer without constant refills. You can even add water while it's working to keep your cleaning uninterrupted. It's lightweight and portable with a comfortable steam gun that reduces hand fatigue during use. The 2.2-meter steam hose and 2.5-meter power cord make it easy to clean both indoors and outdoors. Whether it's grout, tile, upholstery, kitchen, or bathroom, this steamer handles it all with high-pressure steam power. Experience hassle-free cleaning with this versatile and efficient steam cleaner today. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.